course in Payne's Valley, this is as good as it gets in the world. I mean, these courses, and they are in perfect condition.
Everyone around this table is here for a reason. Look around. We have our chaperone Yamil. Honestly, guys, these are like the trips that we'll all look back on when we're old and gray and can barely move. So we're gonna announce the teams for this weekend. Here's the course record. Ridge.
The Ozarks, baby. Payne's Valley, Cedar, big Cedar. Only big poppies are playing this jump. Missouri, Payne's Valley. Look at this fucking gorgeousness.
This is an insane drive.
98 to the pin. Minus 99.
385 yard drive.
385!
Oh no.
I would love a lot. Yeah. Oh shit.
Hole 18 to 19.
Ooh. Goes slow for the river. Oh, wow.
That was like a ride. Look at that.
We beat them by 2.
Oh, you did? We got them by 2.
What is this hole?
19.
Davey's from India.
No, he's
He's not?
He's from the.
Oh! We made it! Take a look at that.
Hit that shit. It's sick. Can I see it? You just eagle everything?
You had one. You had 2 eagles.
One eagle.
One eagle.
Oh my god.
Only one?
Dude, he was smashing.
Come on, dude. You could have had like 3.
What's your name?
Dude,
Irene.
he's gonna be famous.
How old are you?
18.
Where are you
18?
from?
Columbia, Missouri.
Wow.
Columbia, Missouri. 18.
Damn.
He's gonna need your help.
It's a boy!
They did decide, so I'm gonna see what it looks like on both ways.
off the record now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, we have companies that send 30 salespeople at a time here. Half of them show up. They don't know a Muni course from this. They don't know, but you guys do know. You guys do have an appreciation for this. This is as good as it gets. Come on.
Free bicycle.
¡Yahweh! ¡Yahweh, por
Ay,
favor!
te bañaste. Ah, te bañaste.
Oh no! Oh, dude. You talked too soon, dude.
Tyler, what's happening?
I'm just getting unlucky. This hole, land on the green, spawned in the bunker.
I almost did that.
Lipped out for par. Just
How's the morale?
unlucky.
1 to 10 morale.
It's like a -4.
Oh no. How's this morale?
Oh, the morale is the best it's ever been. There might be an airstrike called in earlier, but hey.
You guys gave us tequila shots, that's why.
What? We all took tequila shots. There's no.
Yeah, there's no
Us and
advantage
you
here.
guys,
There's no
like-
advantage.
Look at them with the shadows. Oh my god, boys. Enough. Second tequila shot. We're already down 2 holes because of the first one. Let's see what happens.
Please do not throw up on my cart. Oh no.
Hey,
Fine.
What did you
hey,
do?
$100 on this match.
Why'd you throw your ball?
$100 match. $100? 100 to 10.
Oh no! Damn it. Oh my god! Let's go!
Oh my god.
These clowns. Look at them.
Keep filming them. I'm trying to swing in my backswing and they're over here chirping.
We're
Good. We're good, dude. Don't worry.
Terrible.
We're good. Just keep the camera pointed on it. I need evidence of chirping in my back shot. No, we would never do that.
Yes. Great shot, buddy.
And you guys are 1 up now? Well, that's rocketed.
Gone. Let's go. Hey, no pressure. Hey, no pressure. Hey, go.
Hey. Strokes like we won, but I appreciate it.
Save it, buddy.
Look at this guy. Oh my god. How's it feel to win, Nick?
Nick won every match.
Every match, baby.
This is for all the losers out here.
Made your country proud.